How to set up an Instagram business account on laptop or PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your PC and log into your account. Then click on More at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on it, click on Settings in here. After you have clicked on Settings, you'll find Settings. Simply scroll down in Settings and click on Account Type and Tools. After you're in this page, click on Switch to Professional Account. Then to create business account, click on Business and scroll down and click on Next. After that, here are some rules of business account and press on Next. Then select category of your business. After you've selected the category, scroll down and press on Done. Click on Continue. As you can see, it is switched to a professional account. Then add your business information as your number, address, and press on Save. Press on Done and you're good to go. This is how to set up an Instagram business account on laptop or PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.